Okay. Now I think my screen is visible to all of you. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have or we calculated MA and or we found out the relation between MA plus 2MB, that is equals to WAB by L square into L plus A. Okay. Now, so let us say this one is equation 2. Okay. And this one, the previous one, that is sorry, here, where we have found out this MA plus MB equals to WAB by L, that let us say we are considering it as equation 1. All of you guys, please mute yourselves. I don't want any disturbance during the class. Okay. So now let's proceed further. So from equation 1, or we can write it as like this, that substitute or subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, we get, now what is the value? So by doing the subtraction, we can say it is MB equals to WAB by L square into L plus A minus WAB by L. Okay, so this implies, so if we again further simplify this one, we will have MB equals to WAB by L square into L plus A minus L. So again, if you further simplify, this becomes, or solve, this becomes MB equals to W A square B by L square. Okay, like this. So we have got the value of MB. So let us say I'm making it as equation 3. Okay. So now putting this equation 3 in equation 1. So what is equation equation 1? Equation 1 is here. This is equation 1. Okay. So if I put the value of MB, then I will easily get what is MA. Okay. So if I put that value, so I can write here, putting the value of equation 3 in equation 1, we have, so if I put that value, this value, so it is MA plus WA square B by L square equals to WAB by L. So this part, it comes this side. So MA equals to MA equals to WAB by L minus WA square B by L square. So this implies MA equals to WAB by L square. Then it is L minus A. So L minus A, what is the value? L minus A equals to B. Okay, so this implies we can write MA equals to WAB square by L square. Okay, this is equation 4. Okay, so now we have found out the value of MB and MA, which are the fixed end moments. Okay, so next heading we can have is the slope and deflection. Okay, so let's have the next heading. So what will be the slope and deflection, or based on that slope and deflection part, we will find out the deflection. Okay, that is y. Okay, so let us give the heading for this problem, slope and deflection. Okay, so now, okay, so let me redraw this figure. Okay, so let me remind you that we are doing the analysis of a fixed beam having a concentrated load of magnitude W, which is placed eccentrically on the fixed beam. Okay, so this is A, this is B, and this whole length, it is L. Okay, and L equals to A plus B. That part we know. And if we are to solve this one, then it is like this. So here we have a reaction. Okay, that is RFA, RFB. Okay, and so here we have a moment, that is MA. So MA we have found out as WAB square by L square. And here we have another fixed end moment, that is MB equals to WA square B by L square. We have found out that one. Okay, and we also know the moment, or so. Okay, this one. Okay, so here we are having that W, and this is A and this is B. Okay, so let us take and wait, and this section, or this one, this point is C. So this is A, this is C, this is this I already represented it as A. Okay, and so if I take a section here, so let me change the color of the ink. Okay, if I take a section here, for example, I take a section here, which is at a distance of X from the left support. Okay, from the left support, that is A. Then what will be the value of moment for this structure? Okay, so here if we extend, it is like this. So let us write it. So the bending moment, sorry, the bending moment at any section, the bending moment at any section AC, or I can write at any cross section AC at a distance of X from the end A. Okay, so can I write like this? I hope all of you remember this equation, EI into d square y by dx square equals to mx minus mx bar, where mx is the free bending moment area or free bending moment, and mx bar is the um, um, fixed bending moment. Okay, so if that is the case, so can I write this one as, so what is this mx at this section? So mx is, okay, so mx is, it is wb by L into X minus MA, sorry, we are considering MB as more than MA. So MB minus MA by L into X plus MA minus W into X minus E. All right. Okay. But we have MA plus MB minus MA by L into X. This value is equals to WAB square by L square into WA square B by, so I'm just putting the values, okay, here, this value, okay, by L square minus WAB square divided by L square whole divided by L into X. Okay, so which is further equals to, so please I'll just want to write it here, please pay attention. So this one, so this value equals to, if we solve this one, we will get WAB square by L square minus WAB by L cube into A minus B into X. Okay, so therefore if we put all these values there, I can write it as, so therefore EI into d square y by dx square equals to,
Sir, going so
yes,
fast.
sorry, I'm unable, I couldn't hear you, please come again.
Sir, repeat once again, sir.
Okay, see here. So telling you start from the starting itself. So we have found the value of MA. We have found the value of MB. Okay. Now what are MA and MB? MA and MB are the fixed end moments, right? Okay. See here. If you go back to the, see. So we have found this RA and RB we have taken. Okay. And we have found the value of MA and MB, though, which are the fixed end moments. Okay, and so we are simply putting those values in this equation, that is EI into d square y by dx square equals to mx minus mx bar. So if so, what will be the mx? Okay, what will be the mx? Mx means, what is mx? What is mx? I'm asking to the girl who raised this doubt. What is mx? Mx is the moment of what? Or it is the area under the, or moment of what? Whether it is free bending moment diagram or it is fixed bending moment diagram. What is the value of mx? The value of mx, or this one, is the free bending moment diagram, and this mx bar is the fixed and bending moment diagram. Okay, so that if you put all the values, so it will be WB by L into X minus MB minus MA into by L into X plus MA minus W into X minus A. Okay, but we know that MA plus MB minus MA by X into L. So that value is, we are simply, see, we are simply putting the value here. Okay, so MA we have calculated. See, MA equals to WAB square by L square. So it is only like that. So sorry, here I missed a plus sign. Okay, so and MB is WAB by L square. This MA is again WAB square by L square by L into X. So if I solve this one, then it is coming as WAB square by L square minus WAB by L cube into A minus B into X. So if you solve this part, okay, then this is that value. So now we will put this value here. Okay, see this one. I'm I'm highlighting it. Okay, so see this. What is this value? MA plus this one is this one. Okay, so we are putting this value in this equation here in this place. Okay, that's it. There is nothing beyond that. Okay, so if we proceed further, so that I'm writing it here now. Okay, I'm just substituting the value. Okay, once if you go through this video, you will easily able to understand what I have done. Okay, so it is W into B by L into X minus W AB square divided by L square minus WAB. I'm just opening all the values X minus W into X minus A. Okay, so this implies EI into D square Y by dx square, that will be equal to, now let me take WB by L as common, so I can have L square minus A square plus AB into X minus WAB by WAB square by L square minus W into X minus A. So again, if I further simplify this, this becomes WB by L cube into A plus B whole square minus A square minus AB into X minus WAB square by L square minus W into X minus A. Okay, if I further simplify this, this becomes WB by L cube into A square plus B square. I'm just opening this bracket plus 2AB minus A square plus AB into X minus WAB square by L square minus W into X minus A. Okay, so if I further simplify this, this becomes WB by L cube into, this is 3AB plus B square. Okay, this is 2AB plus AB, so it is 3AB plus B square, and this A square A square gets cancelled out. Okay, into X minus WAB square by L square minus W into X minus A. Okay, so this implies I can further write it as EI into D square Y by dx square equals to WB square by L cube into, I took B common here, so that is B square, WB square into 3A plus B into X minus WAB square divided by L square, sorry, minus W into x minus a. Okay, so this is the equation. Okay, so now I think this is equation number 5. This will be equation number 5. Yes. Okay, so let us put it as equation 5. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to integrate it. So if we integrate it, then this d square y by dx square, this will become in the form of dy by dx. And what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is the slope, right? So integrating equation 5 with wrt with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, so this can I write ei into this d square y by dx will be dy by dx. Okay, now if I integrate this one, then what will be the this value? What will be the integration of this one? So it will be wb square by l cube, sorry, by 2l cube into 3a plus b into x square. Then this will be minus wab square by l square into x will be here. Okay, plus this will be, what will be this value? What will be this value? Hmm? It will be, what will be this value? Who can tell? Anyone? What will be this value? Who can say?
W by 2 minus a whole thing square, sir.
W by 2 into
X minus a whole
x,
square.
x minus a whole square. Is it correct? All of you? Okay, so now let's put the boundary condition. Okay, now what is the boundary, or what is the or end condition we may call it? Okay, so we know that since it is a fixed beam, okay, the slope here is 0 and slope here is 0, and we are considering, so this is a, this is c, this is b. Okay, so we are considering it as, so x is from here, okay, till a. Okay, so can we write when x equals to 0, dy by dx equals to 0, and here we will have the value as c1. Okay, right? So when x equals to 0, dy by dx equals to 0. Okay, so if we put this one, so it will be ei into 0 plus, since it is x square, so everything into x it is just a moment. So since it is x square, so everything will be 0 here, then plus this one will be again 0, and what about this one? What about this one? Hmm? This will be, what about this one? Anyone from you?
W by 2
Minus
is
W by 2 square.
I couldn't hear you properly. W by 2.
Minus W by 2 a square. If x is equal to 0 means minus a square will balance. Minus
Okay.
a square is equal to a square.
So plus C1. Okay. So this implies what will be the C1 value? C1 equals to W by 2 into A square, right? Is it correct? Now see, I asked about integrating equation 5 with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, that I do. Okay, so if I integrate this one, whether the integration, so you all guys told that integration of this one is W by 2 into x minus a whole square. Okay, I am just highlighting it. I'm just highlighting this one. Okay, you said integration of this one. Sorry, here it is minus again. Okay, this is minus 1. Okay, so here integration of this one is it correct? Whole square. How many of you say that this is correct? How many of you say this is correct? How many of you say this is correct? I think I should.
Plus W AX minus W accelerator.
Okay, yes, this is not correct. This whole thing here, whatever you said, this is wrong. That's why this value is coming as wrong. Okay, so what is the general integration procedure? See, all of you have forgotten your plus 2. Okay, so I'm doing the integration here. So integration W into x minus a into dx. So if I integrate this one, then it will be integration of wx into dx minus integration of w a into dx. Okay, so this is wx square by 2. Then what about this one? This is wa into x, right? So it is not this one. See, even if you open this bracket, okay, even if you open this bracket, this value is not going to come. Okay, so here that's why you guys have mistaken. So I am erasing it here. Okay, so I'm writing it here. So I'm changing the ink so that you can write this one. So it is minus it is wx square by 2 wx square by 2, then minus wa a into x. Okay, and this is plus c1, that is the constant value. If that is the case, then here everything will be 0. Okay, here every value is 0. Okay, so please mark this one. So this part is 0. This part is x is related. Here also x is related. Here x is related. Here x is related. Okay, so it is minus 0. So everything is 0 here. Okay, this is minus. So this is minus 0, and this is also or let's say plus 0. Okay, so C1 becomes 0. Okay, so now we have the equation. Please don't forget your basics, integration. Okay, so now C1 here is the value of C1 is 0. Okay, this part, the value of C1 it is 0. So we can write, So this implies EI equals to dy by dx, which or this implies EI into dy by dx equals to WB square by 2L cube into 3A plus B into x square minus WAB square by L square into x minus WX square by 2 plus WAX. Okay, this is the value. So now if I integrate this one, so let us say this is equation 6. Okay, this is equation 6. So now if I integrate equation 6, what will be the this one? This will be y. And what is y? Y is the deflection. Am I correct? Okay, so integrating equation 6 with respect to x in both the sides. Okay, if I integrate that one, then this implies, can I write EI into y equals to WB square divided by, so here it will be 6L cube into 3A plus B into x cube minus WAB square divided by 2L square into x square minus this is WX cube divided by 6, then plus this is WAX square divided by 2 plus C1. Okay, now again, so we need to find out the sorry, this is not C1, this is C2. Okay, the constant. So now we need to find out the value of C2. Okay, so how we will know find out the value of C2? Okay, so since this is a fixed beam, okay, and we are taking section A, C and B here. Okay, so can I say at end A at x equals to 0, at x equals to 0, what is the value of y? That is the deflection, it is 0, right? So the value of y here is 0. Okay, so can I say at x equals to 0, y equals to 0? Okay, so if I put x equals to 0, y is 0, then this one will be 0. Okay, this one will, or let me change the ink. Okay, so can I say y is 0? Okay, and again since x is 0 here, here also x is 0, so here also it becomes 0 and here also it becomes 0. So can I say C2 is equals to 0? So this implies, can I write, so this implies C2 is also equal to 0, right? Am I correct? Yes or no? Tell me. So C2 is 0. Okay. So let's go to the next one. So let me let us write it here. EI into y equals to WB square divided by 6L cube. This, okay, 6L cube into 3A plus B into x cube minus WAB square divided by 2L square into x square minus WX cube by 6 plus WAX square divided by 2. Okay, so let me write it here as, so let us write here as, so therefore EI into y equals to WB square divided by 6L cube into 3A plus B into x cube minus, please correct me if I'm wrong anywhere, divided by 2l square into x square minus wx cube divided by 6 plus wex square by 2. Okay, this is the final value. Okay, now, so okay, please answer one question. Okay, this is so I'm discussing about this case only. This is a, this is b. Okay, this from here to here it is a, and from here to here it is b. Now what will be the maximum deflection? What will be the maximum, or where will be the maximum deflection? At what
Load
point?
answer.
At the, so where the load is applied, at that point there will be maximum deflection. Okay, so what is that point? That point is,
C.
huh? Yes, C means I'm asking about. Okay, let us take a
From
distance x from A. Okay, so when x equals to A, we will have maximum deflection, right? Okay, so that we are giving it as a new heading, that is deflection under the load. We'll find out that one. Okay, what is the value of, or yes, what is the value of y? Okay, deflection under the load. Okay, now, so deflection under the load, that will be, so can I write, so can I write it as, so ei into y equal, or y, or can I write y max here, that is maximum deflection. Okay, we generally know the, so that the deflection under the deflection under the load will be maximum. Okay, so that will be w b square by 6 l cube into 3a plus b into, what is the value of x? It is a cube minus w a b square divided by 2l square into, again it is a square. Please correct me anywhere if I'm wrong. Okay, so this is again a cube divided by 6 minus w a cube divided by 2. Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
okay, this is w a cube by 2. This is 2. So this 2 is here. Okay, so
Plus
now
WA 2, sir.
come again, please.
Plus, sir.
Plus
Fine.
W cube.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, my mistake. I beg your pardon. So this is plus w a cube by 2. Okay, so if I solve this one, okay, so let us say this is uh, wb square divided by 6l cube into, let us open the brackets and all. Okay, so it is 3a, cube will be multiplied here. Okay, 3a to the power 4. Okay, 3a to the power 4 plus wb square divided by 6l cube into, this is b cube. Okay, b will come here, so wb cube a cube b cube, right, like this, minus this is w, this is a cube b square divided by 2l square minus, what is, if I take common here, I am taking the minus sign outside. Please pay attention. I am taking the minus sign outside. I am taking 6 as common. So this is w, sorry, this is w a cube minus, it is 3. So here we need to multiply 3 here. So if I multiply 3, so this is 3WA cube. Okay, am I correct? So this is WB square divided by, or can this 3, this it is cancels out. Okay, so sorry. So let me use the eraser. So can I write it as W a to the power 4 b square divided by 2l cube plus this is W a cube b cube by 6l cube minus W a cube b square divided by 2l square. Okay, minus this is how much? WA cube minus 3WA cube, it is minus 2WA cube. So minus minus is plus, okay, divided by 6. So this 2 and this 6, it cancels out. Okay, so this implies, can I write EI into Y max equals to W a to the power 4 b square divided by 2l cube plus W a cube b cube by 6l cube minus W a cube b square divided by 2l square plus W a cube by 3. Right? Okay. So now pay attention here. So if I take a cube common from here, see here it is a to the power 4, it is a cube, a cube, a cube. Okay, so if I take, or if I take W also common, okay, so can I write W a cube divided by, or let me take W a cube common. So can I write here yet as the a b square divided by 2l cube plus this is W a cube I took common. So it is b cube by 6l cube minus this is b square divided by 2l square, then this is plus 1 by 3. Okay. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Correct, sir.
Okay. So this becomes the maximum deflection. Okay. Or I can write Y max as into 1 by EI. Any doubts you have till now? Okay, so next some more details are remaining. That is, we need to find out the point of contraflexure and all that we will find in the next class. Okay, now before I stop the recording, I want to ask you one thing. What do you mean by the point of contraflexure? What do you understand by the term that is point of contraflexure? What do you mean by point of contraflexure? Anyone?
Where the bending moment changes bending moment.
Yes, where the bending moment changes its sign. Okay,
From
or
positive to negative or negative to positive.
yes. So where the so that point. So if it is from changing its sign from positive to negative or negative to positive means, can I say that where the bending moment is 0? Is it correct?
Force is maximum.
Yes. Okay. So that is the point of contraflexure. That is from where the bending moment value it changes its sign. Okay. So that we will find out in the next class. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood today's class.